Senior Hiker 77 here at the FDR State Park in Georgia. I'm sitting here with my friend, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. This was one of his haunts. I know that President Bush and President Obama, they would vacation in Camp David, and of course President Trump, he vacations in Mar-a-Lago. But this guy, he came here to Warm Springs, Georgia, due to his polio. He felt like the water, the springs, seemed to be therapeutic for him. He died here in 1945. He wasn't buried here. He was buried at Hyde Park on one of his estates in New York. But this was one of his haunts, and he used to like to come up here. There's a barbecue pit over there that has a nice view, and I'm going to go take a picture of that and show it to you. This was his barbecue pit. Of course, they've cemented it in because if they didn't, so many people would be using it over the last 70 years, it would be destroyed. But now, little haze today. Head back over to the trailhead. I'm on Dowdell's Knob, and I'm supposed to meet the Mountain Trail Association members, and we're going to be doing the Loop Trail, 4.3 miles. It's not the first time for me. I've done this trail before, but I didn't videotape anything. And I know of a couple of interesting points, and I'll videotape them for you and try to keep it interesting.
Who hasn't hiked the Pine Mountain Trail hike before? Okay, several people. Good. Okay. My name's Eddie Hall. I'm a member of Pine Mountain Trail Association. My brother Jim's in the yellow shirt with the burgundy hat. That's Mike Riffle in the tan shirt. We do this once a month. Try to anyway, weather permitting. Pick a different location. This time it's the Dowdell's Knob Loop, 4.3 miles. Has everyone got water? Please, we have cool down water if you like some ice water. We have little bottles, we have big bottles. We encourage folks to drink plenty of water because we have girls' trees on the left and boys' trees on the right later on down the trail. Please don't hesitate to tell somebody, I have to go watch squirrels. We have important papers if you forgot them. If you got snacks, that's good. We're going to stop a couple of times. We're going to have a snack. Few things we're going to pass along the way, little sights to see. Elephant Rock, we'll get a picture of that. There's a plane crash memorial. Military folks that died here years ago. We'll stop and see that for a second. We shouldn't have any critter problems, but it's getting warmer. We may not see something without shoulders, snakes. So if you see it, just call out and we'll go around it. We'll leave them alone. Jim's not going with us, so we don't have to worry about him getting shot. Again, we're going to take several breaks. Try to be back before the weather moves in. This afternoon, it was going to be in the middle of the day. Now it's going to be in the afternoon. We should have a good, nice hike. Anything else, Jim?
About halfway, we'll be crossing. They'll be crossing.
Yeah, poop out.
Dallas Knob Road, and I'll be down there. And if you've had enough fun, you know, you're welcome. And we'll give you a ride back here. The bigger issue is do not hesitate if you start to feel ill in any shape, form, or fashion.
Yeah.
Just let Eddie or Mike know. We have a nurse, EMT.
Anybody medical training?
You're a nurse?
Good.
Mike. Eddie will point out, you know, and y'all can take a look at people and make a determination. If there was to be a situation, we do have a way of possibly getting somebody out, but the main thing is that poop out point. If you're feeling tired, when you get to that point, you still got to go downhill, uphill, downhill, and then a long uphill. So don't push it.
Now the last mile is uphill. We're going to take our time.
Yeah, just don't be embarrassed about that, you know, pooping out.
If you've never hiked in rocky terrain up here, it's very technical. If you feel your feet getting warm in any place, let somebody know. Stop. We have Band-Aids, whatever, keep you from getting blisters because that can ruin your day real quick.
Okay.
We don't want to see that happen. We want you to have fun. Put some tape on it. Put a Band-Aid, moleskin, whatever we take to do, and get you back okay. Again, everybody got plenty of water. You'll be surprised. Now, if you would, look on top of the rock and you'll notice there are 5 holes. We had the idea, Jim took a masonry bit and drilled the holes in for like Veterans Day and Memorial Day, things like that. We will put little American flags on top of it. Very cool. And as far as we know, the sole survivor is still with us. When it's his turn to join his comrade, we're going to drill another hole. What happened? Did we lose the group?
No, we were getting the first aid kit.
Oh, there's Mike. I couldn't see Mike. I'm sorry.
If y'all don't want to be on camera, please tell me so I can delete you out.
Hold your hand out. Show them. Just walking from there to here, 100 feet. We found rivets off the airplane from 50. Retired Vice President, Army Air Force Exchange Service.
Army Air Force what?
Exchange Service. You were in the Navy? I saw your sticker.
No, that's my son's.
Okay.
My son, I was Air Force 55, 60 years ago or whatever.
The BX. PXs and BXs. On bases.
He's in, my son's 31, he's in Bahrain right now.
Okay.
Right where they're firing them missiles off and everything. Well,
Bahrain is no danger.
yeah, no, yeah.
He's having a good time.
Yeah, boy, yeah, he's making extra money, he said. It's the happiest I've seen him. In 11 years, and he's a first class petty officer now.
I've been to Afghanistan, Kuwait, Qatar, UAE, Bahrain,
Yeah.
Dubai.
Yeah, Bahrain is fairly safe. I think, right?
Yeah, they got families there. They got.
Yeah.
It's not in the. It's just a port.
Yeah, oh, I met Kathy on the trail. She came back with me. Let's go up there, Kathy.
Right here it is.
Yeah, let's go up there.
So if you stand back here, you can see the elephant.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Let's go up a little closer. And I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes on camera. Okay. Come on. You stand by the elephant trunk.
Okay.
This is Kathy, and I met her on the trail. Her and her boss, and they run an organization called Braid. It's something focused on women issues, women gym, athletic stuff, and she's going to tell you how to get a hold of them if you're interested in it. So go ahead, Kathy, tell them who you are and how to contact y'all guys.
Hey, my name is Kathy, and my friend Michelle started this company, Iron Braid Adventures. You can go to her website at ironbraidadventures.com. She's also on Facebook as well. You can find her there.
How much does it cost to join?
So there's no fee to join. She does free hikes every week during the week, but she also organizes like bigger adventures, weekend trips.
Where are you located?
And she's located in Columbus, Georgia.
They have a telephone number?
All right, so you can contact her at 706-573-2968.
Now, Kathy, we went by this Elephant Rock on this is our second trip around, and she was nice enough to come back with me. She offered to run down here and do this, but anyway, she decided to walk and do this little interview. Hi. If you don't want to be on camera, tell me now.
No, I want to be on camera.
Huh? Okay, let's interview you. What's your name?
It's Travis,
And where are you from, Travis?
South Florida.
South Florida. What you doing up here in Pine Mountain, Georgia?
I don't know how I got here, but I've been lost 3 days.
From lost. Y'all spending the night? No, y'all day hikers, right?
Nope. We've been here for the weekend.
Really? Oh, y'all, what camp you at? Brown Dog? Yeah, that's back that way. Y'all headed that way. That's a nice little site. I've stayed there a few times. Well, that's
I don't want to go camera anyway.
Well, okay, you know, my channel is Senior Hiker 77. I'll probably try to edit some of this video I took. And
Is this a collab episode?
yeah, I'll try to edit it tonight and maybe post it tomorrow. Senior Hiker 77.
Right.
Anybody else? Anybody else with an outfit?
I just want to say hey, and that's it.
Oh, that's it? Okay. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. All right, Kevin. We'll see you.
Have a good one.
All right, buddy.